Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakas ngi baar jong ka dorbar senrai ke yung dorbar Thawan ke jilla u MLA ka Gambegre West Garo Hills u Saleng is Sangma u la Pyndonkam bakla ye ki Kyntien ki bomde ban Pyndonkam hapo ke yung dorbar kumta na kalyang u Lamphang ke yung dorbar Thawan ke jilla u ba met ba lengdo ula Maham ba ke yung dorbar Thawan kadai ke yung ka ba penyan ya ki kam ki jam hakru kom ka badai bat ka bakhut ka basuba Bat kadai ka kamram jong unu unong mikmat ubadan hapo ke yung dorbar Thawan baon buat yakini kirukom traikam bat haswa ban Pyndonkam yakinu ki jat Kyntien hapo ke yung dorbar ru kinong mikman kidai banda thau hakapor badan ka jinga tai ni ka jinga kren u Lamphang ula ongru bakani ka jing Pyndonkam jong usaleng is sangma yaki Kyntien ki bomdei ban Pyndonkam kamdei satia kasien ka banengkong henry wat hakipor ki bala debru ula ju Pyndonkam bakla Bad u Lamphang ula Maham da ka Tyngeh balada u Saleng is sangma udang yai Pyndonkam kum yakite ki jat Kyntien kayeng dorbar kande da ka Tyngeh.
I would like to inform you that yesterday I had given a ruling of expansion on the Rule 304 of certain words used by Sri Saleng is Sangma MLA. I would like to remind the honourable member that this House has a rich tradition of conducting its business in a decent and dignified manner. Therefore, it is our responsibility to uphold this tradition and be cautious in the use of any unparliamentary words and language used inside the House while participating in any debate or discussion. This is not the only time that the honourable member had used such unparliamentary language, and I had to give a ruling for expulsion from the House, even on earlier occasion. I am taking a very strong exception of the action of the honourable member, and strong action will be taken by the House to the honourable member any further repetition of such action in future. This is my ruling.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.